This floor is reputable, quality, leading in the world. It's better than other places in terms of rewards. The reward will be $5,000 for new subscribers. This floor is reputable, quality, leading in the world. It's better than other places in terms of rewards. The reward will be $5,000 for new subscribers. Another special feature is that if you are not confident in yourself, or you are a newbie, you just need to trade according to the world's leading experts. Daily will make a lot of profits. It is a copy trade feature. No broker has this feature yet. Alright, let's get into the registration. You go to CH Play on Android operating system, and the App Store on iOS operating system is similar. Then you type Bitget in the search box. The Bitget application will appear. Click to install it. Wait a moment. Once it's installed, open it up. When the interface of the app is opened, new users when registering will receive $5,005. It's great, isn't it? To register, please click on the Sign Up. Here, there are two options. You can register by phone number, but I will guide you to create an account by mail. Now enter your email. Next is the password. Next step, please support me by clicking on the words referral code and write this referral code in F841RF35. F841RF35. Click Create Account. Prove you're not a robot by completing this simple task. There will be a code sent to your Gmail. Open up Gmail, copy that code and paste it in. Congratulations on your successful registration. That's the first step. The next step, also very important, is that you have to verify your identity to ensure the safety and honesty of the project. Click on the person in the upper left corner. Click on ID verification. Or choose your country, then tick the box above. Click on Verify Now. Please enter your first and last name here. Please write the same as the paper. Click Next. Click Choose Document. Again, choose your country. Then select the type of document you want to verify. Here I choose the passport. Click Take Photo. You must ensure the photo will clearly show your document. Then allow the app to access your camera. Click Turn on Camera. Next, take a photo of your documents. After successful capture, please click Upload. Click Continue. Please point the camera to the face to verify your face matches the document. Please click to take a photo. Click Upload. So you have completed the identity verification step. Please wait patiently within 24 hours. Wish you experience the world's leading reputable exchange.